Welcome back to Nifty Garage. My name is Sheldon. Today we have a Nissan Z here, and I'm going to teach you how to remove your window door belt off of your car. So now that we have the door open, you're going to have a lower piece right here, lower piece of plastic. You just pop it free with a pick, and it looks like there's two 10 millimeter bolts. And you're going to see, it's kind of hard to tell. You probably won't be able to see in video, but there's a little opening right here. It looks like it's meant to have a clip go in there so you don't completely destroy the door panel. So push it in, then this pulls out, and then you're going to have another 10 mil behind that. And once you have those three 10 mils out, we're going to go from the bottom now. And I like to slide my clip remover in between the door and the door panel. Not super far, but just enough to kind of get it to where your fingers can get in there. And then just go around the border of the door panel, pop that free. Once you feel it free completely up, we're just going to lift this straight off of here. All right, so once you have your door panel off, you have access to the blind spot panel right here, the indicator. You are going to have it a plug to unplug. Comes off really simple. You can see there's two locating tabs right there. They're very small. Obviously pull outward this way. All right, now that we have the blind spot indicator taken off and the door panel, we can access our mirror. So we're going to have one plug. I just do it first. And then you're going to have three 10 millimeter nuts to take off. I always take the first two off and kind of set them to the side. And I'm not going to pull hard on this harness right here. I'm just going to give it a little pressure so that the mirror doesn't fall out. Get that nut out of there. Once you have those three nuts off and your plug undone, you're just going to pull straight out. Free those studs up, get it out of the weather strip. All right, once we take the door panel and everything off, I'm going to remove the door belts on the interior and the exterior of the car to get the window out. So plug your window switch back in, and we're going to go to accessory mode, roll the window down, turn it back off, and then to get these out is pretty simple. The interior one, you're just going to lift straight up, like so. So the interior one is out. And for the exterior one, you're going to have one screw right here at the end. And on other makes and models, this piece right here where that screw goes into, it is very common that they break. So I'm just going to keep an eye out for that right now. And then this is just going to kind of pull up. Like so. And that's why you take the mirror out first, because it does cover. You can tell that it covers the door belt a little bit right there. You don't want anything to bind up and then break it and then you have to buy new pieces. But yeah, that is how you remove your interior and exterior door belts on your Nissan Z.